కంప్లీట్గా తగ్గించాలి నేను మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు. ఓకేనా?
Hello, good evening everyone. Sampath.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
So just use chat box, and how many of you have already finished your personal meeting with your partner teacher? Just post there in the chat box. So Arundhati ma'am, with whom? Who is your partner teacher? Kalyani, Rajakonda and Arundhati. That's fine. Anyone else? Only one page. What about others?
Sir, I am Ganga. I paid with Kavita madam, sir.
Have you finished your personal meeting with Kavita ma'am?
Yeah, yesterday I finished, sir. I also sent templates, madam, sir.
Okay, just post there in the chat box.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Shailaja Reddy and Padmalata. That's fine. Salomi and Madhavi. Okay, good. 3, 4. Padma and Nalini. Good. Sampath, are you there? Hello?
Yes, yes, Vinay. Good evening, all.
Let us ask the,
Yeah. Like that. Let them type in the chat.
so we'll start first.
Completed. Come forward
Salome
and ask
and
them.
Neela Madhavi. Salome ma'am and Neela Madhavi. So you do one thing. Salome, you have to explain the Neela Madhavi's success. So Neela Madhavi ma'am, you have to explain the Salome's success. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Have you documented anything?
Yeah, we did, sir.
Okay, if you want, you can share with us. Otherwise, you can talk about it. So what she talked about. So what are the questions that you asked in between? So what you
Yeah.
learned?
Vinayar sir,
Yeah.
Salome ma'am, I think she has not yet participated. Let me wait for her.
No, I'm already there.
Okay. Then you can start. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, also for giving me this opportunity. First, I would like to say that it's been a very enriching experience to talk to such an experienced teacher like Neela Madhavi ma'am. It's really a very great opportunity. And as we have been given this format, we followed the same procedure in discussing in our session. First, we discussed in a very elaborate and in a very detailed fashion about our teaching contexts. So I'll talk about it later. And then we talked about the problems or difficulties that we have been facing in our teaching context. And then we proceeded to discuss what we have gained professionally during this pandemic time. So this is the broad format in which we carried out our discussion, and then it went on for a very extensive period. Like we met for 2 days, one for 2 to 2.5 hours on 25th, and then yesterday also we sat for another 1.5 hour, nearly 2 hours. So on the whole, it was nearly 4 hours that we spent on this discussion. So it's been, as I already said, it's really very enriching experience because I came to know a lot about teachers' commitment to teaching personally. It's really an inspiration to talk to such an experienced and committed and passionate teacher. So ma'am is already a success story. Everybody knows about ma'am and her commitment to teaching and her zeal to learn and all that. So personally, I came to know more about ma'am's social background or where she has done her education and from what kind of educational background she came, and how she took a step forward with her own personal interest, and she proceeded until the level of completing her PhD. No one was there to support her, or no one, I'm sorry to say that, no one was there to motivate her to force her to go for higher education. It is completely out of her personal interest and personal motivation to uh, go for higher education, attain a doctorate and all that. She did all that uh, uh, in spite of many complexities and obstructions from, as a woman, many problems from family side or from professional side, or as a woman, there are many issues that women face. But in spite of all that, it is just her passion to teaching, passion to teach English language subjects specifically, that motivated her all these years. And it's really an awesome experience to know about teachers' journey from 1990s when she started her career until today. She was never there was no year or no day that she has taken rest, I would say. Literally, she was always on her heels to learn, or she was running to webinars, seminars, workshops, and always very interested to learn something new and keep herself updated with the so-called youth or to keep herself updated with the latest trends in English language teaching. Really great. And then coming to problems, ma'am said that she teaches to very large classes, so that's one problem. And then heavy work in the convents, and then some lack of professional cooperation or cooperative development. That kind of environment is a bit lacking in her school. So these were some of the challenges that we discussed in detail, and then we proceeded to talk about what we did during these pandemic times. So both of us were participants like many others. Many others were there in Trello courses, and then some other courses also like TIS and the MOOCs and all that. She was also very consistently participating in all these courses. So she learned many online tools, using them. And ma'am said that she wouldn't sleep peacefully until and unless she attains that level of confidence that she can handle anything in any kind of online tool. So that is an illustration of her passion to learn. So that is really very inspiring. So, and she, in this pandemic time, she has learned online tools, refreshed her pedagogic skills, and learned a lot about how to do presentations, and learned many tips about teaching from her fellow teachers, from Tony and many other professors during the online webinars. So I can say with confidence that ma'am is a true success story, and is a true inspiration for many upcoming teachers like us. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilima ma'am. And so it's your turn now, Salome. Are you there?
Sir, it's Salome still now who spoke. It was Salome who spoke. Now it's Nilima ma'am's turn. I'm sorry I didn't introduce myself because I thought it was already told. I'm sorry, I'm Salome. Now Nilima ma'am will talk.
Now it's so now who is speaking?
This is Salome. Till now I spoke about Nilima ma'am.
That's fine. I was confused.
It's all right.
That's
Now
now
Nilima.
ma'am,
Yeah.
you are.
Yeah, Sir Vinayda, sir, the one who spoke previously was Salome ma'am. She spoke about me.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Speak about Salome.
Yeah.
So, yes, the project that you gave was about reflecting on each other, the mentor-mentee, we were reflecting. And I strongly believe that this reflection is like the rear mirror in a car. It helps you to look what is at the back and helps you to proceed further. Like the rear mirror in the car, it helps to see what is at the back and we keep proceeding in the front. So that's how by reflecting we grow together. So first of all, Salome and me, we began with trust. We began with trust. Until and unless there is a trust, I believe that we cannot grow together. So firstly, we looked at our lives, we looked at our backgrounds, we looked at the outlooks and our biases. We understood not only the personal front, we also understood the education system. So Salome ma'am, she is a research scholar from the University of Hyderabad, and she is currently working as a school assistant at Jilla Parishad High School, Shivrampalli, Rajendra Nagar Mandal, RR district. So I got to understand the kind of atmosphere that is around the Jilla Parishad school, and she got to understand about the aided school that is run by missionaries where I work. And then we discussed about the strengths of the school, about the weakness, the lacunae that were there in the system. We discussed both the strengths and lacunae of the entire educational system, and we discussed how best we could serve our students. We also discussed how we could develop our professional methods and how we could have a change in our attitudes. We gave a peep into the trials and errors. We also analyzed the challenges, and we tried and we thought that we perhaps need to be a bit flexible with the situation, because you know that life keeps changing, nature keeps changing, nothing is permanent. The education system that was there, right from the Gurukul system, if we see from Gurukul system, it has evolved totally and there had been changes in education system to the extent that at present we have the online system of education. So we discussed how it is not static and it is ever changing, and how we as teachers continuously need to evolve along with the nature. And I understand that we are a part of nature, and so even we need to change. So we understood that we need to both compensate and accommodate in our own classrooms. We understood that we need to understand self, we need to understand the learners, we need to understand the system, we need to understand the classroom, and then we will develop a new perspective, and we will have the desire to keep learning. So I am proud of Salome ma'am, who's very, she's got that empathy towards her students. She's very sensitive towards her students, and her areas are in assessment for learning, teacher education, and continuous professional development. It is very, she, in order to understand the culture of the kind of influence which culture has on language and learning, she also went to United Kingdom for a year on a Commonwealth sponsorship program, and she learned how culture influences learning. And coming to her school, the kind of weaknesses or the challenges that she faced was that there was not the kind of learning attitude among the children, the zeal among the children, and she would try to motivate, and she says that she always lags behind in her syllabus. And I said that is, and I on reflection believed that it was not that she was lagging. In fact, she was trying to prepare the children very systematically, going into every minute detail, and giving them a foundation at the initial stages, which would later, once the foundation is strong, automatically the edifice is going to be strong. So I told her, initially you may be lagging in your syllabus, but later you are going to find the children improving at a steady, consistent rate. And that will be very fruitful to her children, and it will be a great success to her learning. And she doesn't, and another thing that I liked about her is she does not want to confine herself to the school level. She also wants to proceed and go ahead teaching higher level students as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Neelima and Salome, for sharing your experience and views.
Neelima, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Next, who will? Kalyani ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, sir, I'm here waiting.
Okay, okay.
So I would like to share. Arundhati ma'am actually, whom I have, she has been my mentor. We were talking together when we were interacting during the course, but I was not aware to that extent about her. But later on, when we started to discuss about technology tools and all that, we got close to each other. Somehow I can say that I understood her to an extent, and she was also calling me and very curious. So as we started the session, first as ma'am said earlier, we made a trust that it was built for the past weeks itself, as if we were interacting. And I was just going on, and she was sharing that technical knowledge what she had, and she was also posting the things, and we are having feedback and discussing on all that. Sister, I learned 3 points from her: not to give up at any moment, and be patient till the one come to your channel. Somebody has objected the process what you have adopted, and they said that this is wrong. So she never said no, what you are saying is wrong. And what she said is that she didn't argue with the person. She didn't argue with the system also. She was just waiting for the person or the people to learn through their experience, and she was sure that they'll come back to her. And that was true. The people has come to her, and they adopted the system what she was trying to explain them, and what she was suggesting them. So really that patience is what we need, and I learned that from her. And during this pandemic situation or pandemic time, or during this course, she was so curious, and she learned, she placed all her efforts to know the technology tools, and she started using those technology tools in the classroom, and she shared some of those with me, and even I learned some from those, how she has taken, and what kind of, see, making lesson plans through Canva or quizzes and all that, when I participated in that. And during this interaction what we had, she was so patient. See, when I was mentor, I just posed a question, and she made all her explanation or some uh, exchange of views in brief and in clear. But I am very talkative, and I went on sharing my views when I took a role of mentee, and she was a mentor. I was just going on explaining my whole experience to her, but she was so patient. She didn't interrupt me, and she was going on listening. And yes, that's true. So this shows that the quality of being a mentor, or quality of being a guide to somebody, is at a peak extent in her. That I liked a lot. And she was very fair, and she was good, and we had a good interaction of 1 hour on Zoom, and really it was nice. I got some to learn from her, and hope we'll travel in the same way, and we have a lot of experience from this kind of exchange. And this platform has given one more friend to my box, to my life list. Thank you, sir. Arundhati ma'am, over to you.
Arundhati ma'am.
Good evening, everybody. Can you hear me, sir? Hello?
Yeah, you're audible,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, go ahead. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yesterday, we had a talk, sir. The talk was very enlightening. I was really very happy to meet a person who was highly knowledgeable and who was handling any kind of situation which was in front of her. Really, it was not just the knowledge which madam had. She was able to deal with the situation, however tough it was. She was trying to make it light, and she was trying to do her best. I like that in madam. And one more thing what I want to share here is um, right from the beginning, there were quite a few challenges which were in front of madam, but she has, the way in which she has dealt uh, in a dynamic way, I mean, that really was very great in her. And she was open-minded, and she expressed her thoughts very freely. And that open-mindedness, it is seen only in a very few people, and that open-mindedness I liked. And second thing, what else? Which I've liked in her discussion was that the way in which she was tackling the people and the way in which I tackled, there were two different things. I wait patiently for the result, but madam, she was openly and daringly proceeding ahead, and whatever the consequence may be, she's ready to accept it. That dynamism was a great thing which I liked in her. And that is all, sir, and nothing more to say. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Sampath, Mamata, do you have any questions to these two partner teachers and pairs? You want to ask anything?
Ma'am, Salome ma'am, I would like to ask one thing. Salome ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Earlier you didn't know anything about Neela ma'am. So you know something that
yeah.
she is and she is doing something and she is attending the classes and she is learning something. That much only you know.
Yes, sir.
After interacting with her in a private meeting, so what did you learn? What was the benefit you got from her? So from that discussion. So please respond.
Yeah. By the very fact that she has been always participant in many online courses, one could easily understand that zeal or interest to learn or commitment for professional development. I could easily perceive it because many of us are meeting in different online platforms. So apart from that, by talking to ma'am, I personally understood how much seriously she is committed to her learning. It is not just out of she's bored and that's why she joined some online class, or maybe she's using that time which she got. It is not just that. It is her internal desire to learn and to excel in what she is learning that is driving her. And specifically, she mentioned one quote which I asked her, like, well, what, ma'am? You don't have any any reason to do all this stuff or to strain yourself. Then she said, it is better to wear out than to rust out. So that quotation really inspired me, it stuck me because that shows that that really brought out in true light how much she's really interested in learning something. So that the commitment to learning without bothering about age or about the status or about any problems that we come across in our life, all these things are on one level, and our zeal to learn and to excel in our profession, that is on a different level. That I saw that in ma'am, and I would like to truly own it myself, and I would like to be like ma'am when I also become of that age. So that will truly guide me throughout my career. That's what I learned from ma'am, and her service-oriented nature. And then her love for children and love for teaching. I came to know about all these things through these kind of reflective session. Otherwise, I wouldn't have learned about it. There are thousands and thousands of teachers all over the world learning now through technology, like attending the webinars, learning and trying to excel themselves. But these qualities are really important in a human being, and especially in a teacher, and that I came to know only through this kind of personal discussion. Otherwise, I wouldn't have met such a lovely person and a humane person in my life. Maybe not.
Thank you, ma'am. This is the platform that everyone, if we have a discussion, something we will get, means enhance ourselves, the feelings and the relation also, bonding increases and the motivated by each other and want to do many things and learn many things. That happens. Kalyan ma'am, one question for you.
Yes, sir.
Is there really the discussion helps the people if we have such kind of reflections each other, and as you aware of all these things, mentoring the people and all these things, and if we have such discussion in private, means meeting the people hours together, means 30 minutes enough, but you have taken much time and it
Yeah.
was elaborative, and you are feeling any teacher, if those who are there in the meeting, so if they have really they have such discussion, is it helpful, or how
Of
did you
course.
feel about this, and whether it is implemented, it is good for us or not? Please.
Actually, sir, I have to thank you for giving this, source to interact with the one whom I never met. Actually, I didn't meet the ma'am, and we are just interacting because of you. And we were traveling for the last these months together, as sharing the knowledge and all this. So we are very familiar. So when we come face to face, then we may know that yeah, she's Arundhati and I'm Kalyani. But if I hear her voice, I can recognize. So now when we have interacted, see, I got some kind of which I have not faced. The challenges which I have not faced, she has faced, and she has come to know the challenges what I faced. So now in the future, when we come across of certain situations, really I recollect Arundhati ma'am's solution, and I may implement the same, and I may get the solution. So if we get such kind of interactions privately with people whom we trust, whom we believe that they keep all our things hidden and won't share anywhere, and mm, like part of our journey, then it will be very useful, sir. And see, sometimes I have taken certain parts of a discussion as a mentor also. I took those parts to my mentoring process, to my classroom interaction, and to my personal life also. So that will be very helpful. It is very helpful to have interaction with strangers. I mean, I can't say stranger, but the one whom we have not met to a great extent, but we are professionally together and we have like-minded. If we have no, now see, I can say that we are like-minded. We are becoming like-minded, though whether we are like-minded or not, we don't know. After that 1 hour interaction, I can say that we might be a like-minded. So we were interacting to that extent. We passed 1.5 hours. Forcibly, we wind up the session. So this is really helpful, sir, Sampath sir. Help professionally, personally also.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You found a new friend with this interaction, and it becomes a great strength to you all, and you learn something what you have not with you, and you also shared your strengths to your partner. So this is the great thing happened, ma'am. It is really a wonderful thing Richard sir has made. So when we were not looking at the templates or the procedure, so we didn't think that this much happened. Means we didn't expect even. So please, I request all the teachers who go through all these things, and you will see the difference. So it is 8:45 actually, so we not to go further. And over to Mamta ma'am and TV Rao sir, please reflect on it, and later she will introduce second second sessions, the next session's template, and by that you can share. So one more thing, everyone is ready to share your feelings, I feel. So those who have interacted privately, so maybe, so you please share all the success stories on our WhatsApp group, and also record the voices if possible. You can share them. So everyone, those who are interested can listen to them. So it is means high time. So we never get all the reflections here as a audio. Maybe it may be a good thing if you record all the voices, and not more than 5 minutes. So 2 to 3 minutes you make a record of all the things put together, and by that everyone can know what you have discussed. And that is the way I feel. Vinay, what do you say? And also reflect. Mamta, over to you, and
Shall we create a Flipgrid platform so that you can post there your reflections, what you learned after discussion?
Yes, yes.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
So we can create a flat grid
yes,
there,
yes.
so that
Like that
after completing your discussion, we will give you the prompts also. So
Yeah.
based on that prompt, you just post your video or audio there in the Flipgrid, so that everybody will visit and watch your reflections, and they will even comment on that. Is that okay?
It's okay. As any
Yes,
one
sir.
platform we have to make use of. By that, everyone, those who are interested, can listen to others, and they can learn many things. So it happens. Tiro sir, please respond, and after Mamta, you take the session. Tiro sir. Hello. Is he not there?
There, it's all.
Hello. Okay.
Is not
Over to
there.
Mamta. Mamta ma'am, please go on. Please introduce our next session's template, and
Okay, sir.
after
Thank
that
you.
we can. Okay.
Thank
Welcome.
you. Good evening, everyone.
1 minute,
S-
ma'am. 1 minute.
Sir,
He has
sir.
joined.
Okay.
Hello. Tiro sir. Hello.
Yeah, Sampath. Good
Yeah,
evening.
yeah. Please, good evening. Please give means a message to all the people and everyone. Maybe those who have interacted each other, they are keeping all the things with them and they want to reflect, but the time is not there. And you please reflect on it. And later, Mamta will send a second template. And please make use of the chance. This is a platform to extend ourselves. And in future, we are going to make use of this team for action research also. So we keep on live. So for making all the things live, so we are in touch, taking this opportunity as a success to sharing success stories. So over to Tiro sir, please.
Good evening, all. First, let me congratulate all the mentors and IOs for taking up the new project enhancement program, learning enhancement. I really, it's very wonderful. I have come to know from today's participants' words that Salome and Nilu Madhavi, Kalyani, and all that. I found really how this program helps us to enhance our skills. It's all of sharing success. So we get motivated. Sometimes what I know, I think I'm doing well. I feel like that. And it will be with more people also. But when we come to know the success stories of others, how they are successful in their teaching life and in their lives, that helps us to enhance ourselves. So it is very useful program. But my sincere appeal to all, please be serious in this. It will be really helpful for us for enhancing our skills, enhancing our life skills even, not only the teaching skills, life skills even. It will be very useful. And I was telling to Vinay and Sampath that we should not stop here and we have to continue with this journey further. That what Sampath was saying just now. We will next take up a project like research, classroom action research programs we take up. And from ELTAS, we'll work with some other people and we will definitely take up when the schools get reopened. We take up some teaching learning issues and challenges, and that we divide into teams and work on, and it will be continued. So definitely we'll be gaining something. One more thing, my suggestion is that we use some platform to share. Sometimes everybody do not get chance to express their views. So might have many people have paired with them and had their discussion, but they could not find time to exchange their views in the present meeting. So it's better what we do is either we use Padlet or Flipgrid or something. We share our reflections with the other participants in that, so that let other participants also read or watch or listen during their free time. It would definitely helpful to all. I congratulate in particular Mr. Sampath, Vinay, Mamata, and Irshad, who have been acting as IOs for this enhancement program. Thank you, Varandal.
One thing on thank you to you, sir, and you are giving a chance to others and bringing together. And please make it possible that you can make the first session and second session together, and one by one you record all those things and make a reflection note. You keep a notebook and write something. It is a kind of habit that we have to write something and we have to present. That happens. If that happens, everything will be good. And one more thing, what I found is some mentors, maybe some peer teachers are not responding to your calls or might be busy. So you don't need not to worry. If any case, such case is there, please contact us, Vinay sir or me, and like that we can make other pair. And if you are interested, we can make changes. And this is the last meeting, and we are not going further to make another pair. So we need not to worry about the people who are busy. So those who are very much interested can be, come together and work together. And the people, we need not to ignore them, but the
Last your voice. Hello?
like school work.
Sampath?
So please don't react it as a serious one, and make use of the chance. Whether if it is possible, we can make and combine with other, and if it is something is like that. And here we are here about 36 nearly. Namata and myself and Vinay, if we exclude. Like that 13, 15, 18 players are there. Now present means you are very strong, and others are there, might be some busy. So we can together 20 pairs are confirmed. I feel 20 can come to there. 20 plus 20, 40 people are very much eager to learn. So at this point, we need not to stop here. And those who have not completed, please complete tomorrow itself, and first session, and day after tomorrow, like that second session. You complete all those things and make a record of it. And as Vinay said or Hero said, you keep somewhere, and we will send the link and you can share all the things. So this is the thing. It's a really wonderful thing.
Sampath sir, voice is not audible.
This is ma'am.
Voice is not audible, sir.
Okay. Sometimes I am getting calls. So okay,
Yes.
over to you, Mamta, and anyone wants to speak, and Vinay, later you can conclude. It is 5 to 9 actually. We need not to disturb you. Actually, it is high time sometimes. Sampath sir, why all these things posting, and why he is making such a nuisance sometimes. And you feel, if you
No, sir, we won't feel.
No, we are not forcing anyone. It's a voluntary.
No. We are all very much interested to take part in this. It's such a wonderful experience for us, and a wonderful platform is created to everyone, sir. So you don't feel otherwise.
Okay, thank you. Over to Mamta, please share
And
your
we are.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Once again, I hope session 1 made us everyone to know each other more than we know earlier. So coming to session 2, shall I share the screen, sir?
Yes.
So session 2, pinpointing recent success. Aims of session 2 is become conscious of recent positive experiences, think about or identify the main signs of success, consider reasons for success, identify areas of uncertainty as a possible basis for exploratory research. So split the session into 2 halves as we did in session 1. So here we have 3 questions. 3 questions we have completed in one session, session 1, and here is the 4th question for this session. Means this is the first question for this session, but overall this is the 4th question. What particular successful experiences have you had recently? For this, prompt questions were given. What were some of the particular professional success you have had during the months of lockdown? Talk about a particular experience or experiences. What did you do? How did you do? Why did you do it? What did you feel about all this success and everything? What actions did you take or what efforts did you make to achieve it? How do you feel now after this experience? Can you think of other times in the past when you had a similar experience? Coming to the second question, what were the signs of your success? For that, prompt questions were, what made it a success for you? Whether it is success, do you think this is a success or not? Others can think this is a success or not. And what signs did you get that the experience was successful? What feedback did you get inside yourself? How did you feel during or as a result of the experience? In what ways do you feel stronger, are more confident, are more empowered, are more creative, are more innovative as a result of the experience? What did you learn as a teacher? What feedback did you get from outside yourself? Was there any feedback from students, parents, managers, colleagues, etc.? What were the academic and emotional outcomes for students? And coming to the third question, what were the reasons for your success? For that, prompt questions are, what do you think were the main factors contributing to this being a successful experience? What exactly made it work? What made the experience like this compared within other classes? In what ways were you building on previous positive experiences in what you did? What things that you did or what things about you as a teacher might have had a positive influence? How do you know? How did students contribute to your success? Why do you think they did so? Why did the students enjoy the experience? What makes you think that way? Were others, colleagues, parents, etc., part of your success? If so, in what ways? So we have to discuss all these number 4, 5, 6 means for this session 1, 2, 3 questions we have to discuss and we have to give all the reflections in the template. This is the template. So I request everyone, please fill all these questions or all your reflections in the template. And we are making a one collaborative document. Please share your links in that collaborative document against your name. So this is all about session 2. Over to Vinay sir.
Okay, thank you, Mamta. So these templates are going to be posted there in the WhatsApp group. So another 2 things. One is the Flipgrid link and the collaborative document links are also going to post it there in the WhatsApp. So now you have to visit the Flipgrid. So you can post reflections after your meeting. So just like Salome and others did now, no? So do the same thing there. And the first second week, you have to plan the meeting with your partner teacher. So then complete the templates provided there. So next Sunday, again, we are going to meet maybe 7 or 8, most probably 7 or 8. So the same time. Sampath, anything you want to add?
Nothing to say. Any others, those who have not paired anything to say, please, one of you, please reflect on it, and we'll finish the thing. And any such things to complain or okay, I request any one of you, please respond. Raj Kamalakar Reddy sir, are you there? Or Shyam sir?
Sir, may I?
Anyone, please.
Sir, may I?
Please, sir. Ma'am, please go.
Such a wonderful opportunity, sir, having this platform and taking up this activity. And the first session, participants have done very well. And we are very fortunate to listen to their success stories. And in the template, whatever questions and are given for the reflections and all, we have just forgot the time while discussing with the mentees. And here today, this experience shared by other mentors and mentees are so wonderful. So we are looking forward for the other sessions. And here I would like to add one more thing. This time we would share our experiences in Flipgrid. If you think some other platforms the next week, in that way we can explore for 4 weeks, four other digital tools, sir.
Sure, definitely. We will plan. So that's the way you can implement the things there. And we too get an experience.
Sampath, good evening, Anna.
Okay, good evening.
And I thank Kalita.
Anna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Only 37 participants participated in this meeting, Anna. So some of the mentors are not interested to participate actually.
Hello.
Okay, if the things like that, sir, we will share the things privately and we will discuss. And those who are here, it's okay. You make a call and
I have noted down the list, Anna.
Okay, I will do.
Who have participated, I have noted down in my notebook.
Okay. We will talk.
Kamalakar sir. So it's not a mandatory. So because
Mandatory.
today it's not possible for them, next week they may join. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. If your partner teacher is not ready, so we will think of alternatives like that. But don't talk about others because somebody is busy with some other work. That's why they haven't joined today. But they will do the assignment tomorrow and they will join in the next week. So don't predetermine the things. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Thank you, Anna. It's your free time.
Sorry, Anna. Sorry.
Okay.
Vinay, Anna, sorry.
Okay. It's all right, Anna. And Shyam sir, we want to say anything?
Hurt anyone. Professional development is a voluntary activity. We should not force anyone to join. Okay? And at the same time, we should not talk about others.
I'm not talking to anybody, Anna.
That's it.
Vinay, Anna, you are giving a lengthy speech on that.
Okay, Anna. Next one, Shyam sir. Hello.
Good evening, everyone. Just a little bit busy with my son's birthday today. Please go ahead.
Fine, that's fine. Happy birthday to your son. Convey our best wishes.
Thanks a lot. That's the reason I could not spend a little bit of time here.
No problem.
Please go. Yeah.
Spend time.
Thank you.
Vinay, if you want to say anything and conclude it and finalize the things, and need not worry about anybody, and we can add everyone. And if any anybody is facing any problem, please inform us. We make changes. And also make 3 in a group. So sometimes that happens. Maybe paired if paired people are not there, or anyone new also can be accepted until now, and later we won't accept, and the things may be finished. So later in other any new project if you take, and in that please we can invite all the people, and don't consider and misunderstand anybody. Please, it's a platform to share and learn something new. Thank you. And Bakes ma'am also already mailed me. So if you have any meeting, please inform me, and I will join. Otherwise, please send the recording also. And the people are watching and your success also, they will listen. And carefully what she advised us, everything you keep a record. And one more thing I would like to share with you, that so many journals are there online, and everyone keep a record of this mentoring, peer mentoring things. And Ravinarayan sir also is Fortel on Fortel magazine. He's inviting publication papers from teachers, and you can send the papers also if you are able to do all those things. Like that, so many opportunities will be there, and I feel everyone should be a presenter on national level and international platforms. And please send your articles to the publishers, and in future sessions we are going to give you some articles, and also after these sessions and in action research and presenting papers, we strengthen all the things and make you learn and grow well. So I feel it's a great opportunity, though we have and get any time. So all are busy with other works, so need not to waste anybody's time. And thank you all for being with us and supporting us. And we need not to make you, feel in a different way. So please understand all the things and come together, and we'll do many things together. Thank you. Over to Vinay.
But let us share these templates in the Google Docs, so that everybody can write and.
Yeah, they will share. Mamta will do that. Already last week also we shared. Now she is going to do that.
Already shared in the group, sir.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, then bye. See you all.
And send it.
Okay, then Sampath, just wind up the session. If possible, share the link there in the group, Zoom link, recorded link, so that others they may watch if they find time. Those who are not attended this session, they will get an idea. We can share the recorded Zoom link also, not uploading it to YouTube. Try that. Sampath.
Okay. So now Narendrana is also there, I think.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, I'll share the link.
And please reflect on it, Anna, and might be busy, and you are there in ELEC training also, and the thing is you are observing, I think, and please reflect on it. And,
yeah, I'm just following you. Actually, I don't know much about this program, though I don't know the things, and I'm participating. So actually, I didn't meet my partner. Tomorrow I try to do that, and so even regarding this link also, I'll upload it on YouTube, and I'll try to share it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And you conclude, Vinay.
Okay, that's it. It's okay then. Fine. Good night. Bye. See you all.
Sir, anything you will say, and please conclude. Okay, thank you all. Thank you very much. And we'll look for the next session on Sunday, 7 p.m. as usual. So if not, 8 p.m.
Sampath sir.
Thank you. Ma'am.
Who is my partner?
So you please, who is that? Shirisha ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. We'll make you know. I will check the list of those who are here. And later, please, anything, such things, please inform me privately, and we'll discuss.
But last time Shirisha ma'am was not there in the team.
Yeah. In training she was there, but last time she was not there, and she can do.
Actually, she was given in the Padmavati madam list, but she said to go to another team, but she was not placed in any team. See that she's placed somewhere.
Yeah. Okay, we'll do all those gaps we will fill, and by tomorrow a fresh list will make. Okay, thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Sampath sir, shall I end the meeting?
Yes, Anna. Please end and share the link. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.